So we got another package here on our table, and we have here is another smartwatch, and it's called the MIBRO Lite by MIBRO. And I heard that this watch is crazily affordable. And what's crazier is that it's AMOLED. So I'm excited to open this one, and come on, join me. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So I have here, like I said, it's the MIBRO Lite from MIBRO, and I heard that this MIBRO company is part of Xiaomi Youpin ecosystem. So upon opening this box, sliding it out, we can see the watch is here, and there is a welcoming note here teaching us how to use this one. And of course, you will really need to download this app for you to be able to enjoy it. Okay, so it works with Android and iOS, so there's no problem with that. So either you have both devices, you can pair it easily. So there are some quick specs here, and it says that it can give you some sports tracking, dynamic heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, and of course IP68 rating, of course for swimming. So at the back there's not much information. So we'll take this out of the box and pop it out just like this. So there we have the watch itself. Okay, so it's really light. What I like about this one is that it's pretty light. Okay, so this is around 48 grams, including the strap itself, of course. So what we have here is a very nice strap, very light design. So at the back we have our sensors. This two gold plated is of course your charging terminals, and the strap is a 20 strap wherein you can easily change. Of course, if you don't like this strap, you can easily change it to the ones you like. You can buy it from your favorite seller, of course, but yeah, of course you use the original one. It's definitely the best. So yeah, in order for you to be able to put it back, just pull this tab and insert, and there you go. It's as easy as that. Okay, so changing strap has never been easier. So I can see that this strap is really smooth, and of course it's IP68 rated. So before anything else, let's just see what's other things inside this one. We have your user guide, nothing more inside. So we also have your charging terminal. So right now let's just quickly place it here. Okay, so it's kind of sturdy, not really the one that will fall off easily. Okay, so it's magnet based, so it's really nice. Okay, so yeah, let's just did the jiggle test. So yeah, you can see here it's the MIBRO Lite. Okay, so I can see that the display is really nice for its price point, and I can say that I like the display. There's so many smartwatches out there in the market, but of course just a few of them would really impress me. So this is one of those that really yeah, impressed me, given its price point, given the AMOLED display. It's a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, and yeah, it gives you a full circle color HD screen, giving you that best possible display and best possible colors. Of course, it's AMOLED display. So I heard that the battery life can last you up to 10 days from basic usage, and 8 days if you use it daily. So one of the selling point that this watch has is, of course, high quality with low price. So right now, let me run you through things that you can do with this watch. So right now, if you want to change the watch face, just long press on the screen like that. So swipe left and right. You can see all the watch face that you can change. Of course, there's more when you install the app. So the MIBRO app. So right now, let's I just quickly change the display, the watch face. So drop down, you can see that the battery bar is there, the day of the week is there, the settings is here, and everything else like do not disturb, this brightness, screen brightness is here. So yeah, it's easy to navigate. And of course, I don't want to shut down. Just want to check. So yeah, instead of giving me uh, just that 5 seconds of on display, make it 10. Okay, so brightness, you can change this one. Okay, so yeah, so can give you some health reminders, like if you're sitting too long on your chair, like remind you to drink your water. Okay, so of course, exercise reminder, medicine reminder, and so more and so forth. Okay, so it's really nice having something like this one to remind you. And of course, you have your heart rate warning. So you can set the what you call that irregular heartbeat monitoring here, which is of course something that is not present in other watch. So you would know if your heart is not okay, so you immediately visit your doctor, like something like that. So yeah, there are so many things you can calibrate on this one. So yeah, do check it out. Of course, if you have this watch, it's definitely something that you might want to take a look at if you want to fully maximize this watch. So right now you can see that this is the heart monitoring. This is the weather app. This is my exercise wheel. So you can see that the kilocalories burn, how many minutes I walk, how many times I stand up, how many steps, and how many kilometers walk. So you can add some components if you want to. So like, let's say I want to add my sleep monitoring. It's also here, really nice. So yeah, just keep adding if you want. Okay, so this is I'm not sure, this is blood pressure, I believe. Okay, so yes, so you can add up to 2 more expansion here, shortcuts. Okay, so yeah, weather app, and everything is here. Basically everything is here. So swiping up, you can have your notification. So of course, pressing the side button over here, it can give you 15 sports mode, from the more popular one like walking, swimming, okay, strength training, yoga. It's all here. Okay, so you can also have your exercise data, heart rate monitoring. This one is quite important, blood oxygen monitoring. So right now, let me just wear it on my wrist, and I'll try to get my blood oxygen rating right now. Just an example for you to see. Okay, so you can say that the fit is nice over here. Snug fit. Okay, so I have a 98% blood oxygen rating, which is of course very healthy. If you kind of fall below 80, you might want to check with your doctor for medication, especially during this pandemic, wherein people are buying oximeter, but you have your built-in oximeter here. You might want to give it to maximize it, of course, given that it can also monitor your it's like a pie graph. Okay, so chart, so you can see the movement of your blood oxygen level. So yeah, I have mine at around 98. So yep, there we go. So we have the sleep report. I think this is blood pressure. Okay, so this is breathing pattern. So you can relax to teach you how to breathe. Okay, so you can also control your music over here. You have your timer over here. You can even find your phone over here. Stopwatch, calculator. These are very basic settings that we, of course, know. So right now we have connected our watch to this MIBRO app. So it's very easy. Just go on over to Google Play Store or your Apple App Store just to download this app. Now we have a lot of dial over here, or what we call the watch face. You can just simply choose it. I think this one is pretty nice. Okay, it looks like RGB color. So download, then install. So easy. All you need to do is just have a nice internet connection. Then you need to pair it properly to your watch. Then in a while, probably maybe in just a minute or two, it will install it. So right now it's installing. And yes, my watch also said it's installing. So let's just wait for it patiently. Let me take off my watch. Okay. So you can see that I have successfully changed my watch face into something RGB, which is really nice. Classic yet modern, something like that. So anyways, so we can freely change it here. You can check your weather updates. You can push your weather over to this watch. So I'm not quite sure if it has pushed it over. Okay, so right now you can see that it gave me the weather report, 31 degrees tonight. Now you can also set other data over here. So you can set your alarm clock, just take a photo, health reminder, find your watch, and other settings. And of course you can firmware upgrade it. And definitely this is a very nice watch, especially when you want to take it for swimming. And what I really like about this is that it's really affordable. Now I'll be popping the price and of course the link on the description box below where you can buy this watch, the MIBRO Lite. I just want, of course, to thank our friends from ZBanks for sending this over. And yeah, I really enjoyed playing with this one. Especially this is really nice if you want to stay fit and have a healthy lifestyle, especially during this pandemic. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here on my channel. And so I'm Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?